want you to picture two apartments. Same city, same neighborhood, same rent. Apartment 1 belongs to someone earning $95,000 a year, a 75-inch TV, a $4,000 leather couch, boxes of unused kitchen gear, closets stuffed with tags still on, a spare room turned into a junk pile. This person checks their bank balance with a knot in their stomach. 2 missed paychecks from real trouble. Apartment 2 belongs to someone earning $52,000. Open space, a modest couch, a kitchen with tools that actually get used. This person checks their balance and feels calm. 18 months of savings, 20% invested every paycheck. Same neighborhood. The one earning almost half as much has nearly 10 times the security. This isn't about income. It's about the hidden relationship between stuff and money that almost nobody stops to think about. Here's the reframe. Everything you own costs money twice. The first cost is the price tag. Obvious. The second cost is the one nobody calculates. Storage, upkeep, mental clutter, and what that money could have grown into instead. A treadmill isn't just a treadmill, it's rent for the square footage it sits on, often becoming an expensive coat rack. Rule 1. Calculate cost per use before you buy anything. Total cost divided by how many times you'll really use it. A cheap jacket worn twice is expensive. A pricier jacket worn constantly is basically free per wear. The math cuts through the hype. Rule 2. Run the replacement test on everything you already own. If it vanished tomorrow, would you actually rebuy it? If the honest answer is no, it's not really yours. It's just taking up space, sitting there through inertia, not intention. Rule 3. Never upgrade something that still works. A newer model isn't a reason. A genuine breakdown is. Chasing every new release quietly drains tens of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Money that could have bought freedom instead. Rule 4. Make spending harder and saving easier. Willpower runs out. Your environment doesn't. Delete the shopping apps. Automate the transfer to savings on payday. Let the system make the good choice for you. Rule 5. Count what you own. Once you know you have 47 shirts, buying a 48th suddenly feels absurd. Rule 6. Rent or borrow before you buy. Test the hobby before you own the ecosystem that comes with it. Garages everywhere are full of abandoned hobbies. Ski gear, cameras, instruments used twice and forgotten. Rule 7. Watch the lifestyle multiplier. One purchase drags a whole chain of extra costs behind it. A boat needs a trailer, a hitch, insurance, storage. The sticker price is never the real price. Rule 8. Define enough before you start earning more. Otherwise, your lifestyle just keeps chasing your paycheck. Someone who fixes enough at $60,000 and earns 150 builds wealth fast. The gap goes straight to freedom. Rule 9. Measure wealth by your options, not your objects. Can you quit the bad job? Take the 6 months off? Every purchase trades a little optionality for a little possession. Sometimes worth it, often it isn't. Rule 10. Declutter in small cycles, not one big yearly purge that quietly rebuilds itself within 2 years. 3 items removed every week beats 300 removed once a year and then forgotten. Here's the loop nobody talks about. Owning less builds savings. Savings builds security. Security kills the urge to buy. And the less you feel that urge, the more the cycle feeds itself. Spend less, save more, feel calmer. Spend even less. The opposite cycle is just as real. Spend to feel better, feel worse, spend again. Until something forces a breaking point. This week, find 10 things you wouldn't rebuy and let them go. Notice how light that feels. This month, try the 24-hour rule on every non-essential buy. Watch how many urges just fade on their own. That calm apartment from earlier, it wasn't built on a bigger paycheck, it was built on clearer choices. Own less, choose more. That's the whole game. And it's available at any income starting today.